everyone, welcome back to another video. It's gonna be a vlog day today. I'm going to Ottawa. My sister lives there and it's gonna be a lot of fun, so stay tuned. Allah. Hand wash. My cute little niece, she want me to wash my hands first before I go and touch her, just to be safe side. She's so cute, mashallah. I just got here. It was almost 5 hours drive and I'm so tired. I'm just gonna freshen up and I'll see you guys later. We come to the lake called Moni's Bay. It is so beautiful. Now here we are at the Gulf. This place is so amazing. I was so close. Oops. This is a great place to visit called Ornamental Gardens. A truly romantic place to visit with your significant other. This place is a little paradise on earth. Look at this. I'm just gonna go around and show you this place quickly. On the same day, we visited at the Parliament House. Due to construction, they closed the building temporarily. We just stayed outside the building, walked around, and then came back. Now we are here at the Canadian Museum of History. Okay, this side is closed. So here we are. If you want to gain some knowledge about Canadian experiences, want to know about the native people, their identity, and about their culture, this is the place to visit.
She went to residential in and I think what's profound what generation here when we come here and we're practicing architecture, I think it's profound. It's so systematic.
So this is the Canadian Museum of History. We are heading back to our car. We have actually more beautiful places to explore, so stay tuned. Now we are here at the Hog's Back Park. We actually parked our car way too far from the falls. Now we are heading there. Oh my god, here we are. The falls is right there. I'm gonna go around and show you the falls closely. It is so beautiful, isn't it? As you can see all the love locks that are on the fence. Lovebirds believe they live happily together by placing their locks here. I hope their wish will come true. This is our last stop, the Thousand Islands, located at Kingston. It is raining today, a bit chilly and windy. Let's see how it goes. Tourists from all over the world come to experience the gateway to the Thousand Islands. I would highly recommend this place to visit. Here it comes, a bold castle. I actually wanted to go and visit inside the castle, but Canadians are not allowed to visit inside due to COVID-19. As of now, this is only open for US visitors. Our borders are closed and this castle is located on Hart Island in the United States. If you want to know the story behind the Bolt Castle, you can find it on the Google, but I can tell you the summary of it. Bolt invested $2.5 million to build this castle. He planned to present it to his wife on Valentine's Day. In January 1904, his wife died. The construction crew was told by Bolt that to stop all the work. Since then, he never returned to the island. The castle is still incomplete, and it was decided to make a tourist place. So this is it for today. We are now heading back. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the places in Ottawa and of course the Thousand Islands as much as I enjoyed my whole trip. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.